Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Amkette iGrip Telescopic Smartphone Car Mount. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the product. The Amkette branding is on the top, and on the bottom, we see that we also get the iGrip Drive Assist app for free. It can be downloaded using this QR code. On the right hand side of the package, we have an illustration of the product along with its various parts being marked out and labeled. On the left hand side, we have some of the features of the product, which include a multi-directional extendable arm, an adjustable bottom support, one-touch locking mechanism, a mega suction sticky gel pad, and 360 degrees of rotation. On the top, we have a guide about the width of the smartphone. Basically, if the smartphone is between 0 to 64 mm, it is too small, and if it is more than 98 mm in width, it is too large to be fit into this product. On the bottom, we have some importing and manufacturing information, and underneath that, we have some customer care information. On the right, we have the product code, which is 643BK iGrip Telescopic, and that's about it. On the back of the package, we have some more information about the product. Here it goes through the various adjustabilities and flexibilities of this product. It also comes with a powerful clamp and an long adjustable telescopic arm. Here we see that it also includes a dashboard pad that is very sticky and provides good suction and grip. Underneath that, we have an illustration about showing off its multi-directional extendable arm. And lastly, we have a couple of images that serve as a basic instruction manual to let the person know how to use this product. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material. First up is the user guide. This can help you get started with setting up this mount. Next is some more information on the Drive Assist companion app and the QR code where you can download it. We also get this dashboard pad. It has a sticky coating underneath this protective plastic, and basically this can be stuck onto the dashboard of your car. It is made from plastic and it has a glossy black finish on the top. Getting to the mounting arm, the underside has a suction cup on it and it has a clear plastic protective cover on it. This is the side that clamps on to the dashboard pad. Above that is the clamping mechanism or locking method. Basically, pressing this activates the suction and locks the mount in place. Above that, we have the extendable arm, which can also rotate. It has approximately 270 degrees of rotation. Using this knob, it can be locked in a particular orientation. The arm is telescopic, as we have already mentioned, and it is also in the model name, and it can be adjusted like this. That too can be locked in place using this knob. Above that, we have the ball mount. The ball mount corresponds to the underside of the smartphone holder, and we can open this up to demonstrate how it can be used. So what we need to do is take this and put it on the ball mount. With some force, put the ball mount into its appropriate cavity on the back of the smartphone mount. and then just screw it in place to secure it. This is what the device looks like once it's completely assembled. On the front, we can see the Amkette branding. It is also a button to lock the mounting arms. So this was the unboxing of the Amkette iGrip Telescopic Smartphone Car Mount. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.